Please don't be Ryanair. Oh wow. Oh wow, look at that. Look at that. It's a dead plane. I think it just crashed. Here, we're gonna land in 3, 2, 1, and touchdown. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. That was Ryanair. And we also applied reverse thrust. Look at that. And air brakes. Jesus Christ. Oh my God. Sheesh. That was a nice touchdown.
You just scored a touchdown.
Ryanair.
You just scored a touchdown.
Ryanair. And there's the Raider dish. Woo.
Are these the first class seats that are in the front?
Yeah. We're first class, baby.
Hello everyone, Cebu Pacific welcomes you to Mactan Cebu International Airport in Lapu-Lapu City. For your safety and comfort, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please check your surroundings to ensure you do not leave any of your personal belongings behind. Be cautious when opening the overhead bins, as heavy items may have moved during the flight. Mangyari po lamang na manatiling nakaupo at hintayin matanggal ang ilaw sa fasten seatbelt sign bago tumayo para kunin ang inyong mga kagamitan. Nais din namin ipaalam sa inyo ng paggamit ng palikuran sa mga sandaling ito ay mahigpit na ipinagbabawal.